Hi, my name is Michel and I bought an endurance laser for my CNC machine and made some records and did a test run for the first time as a noob. Dus watch the movie and hope you like it. The result is done pretty good. For the first time I used this laser. The connection to the board and using of the software for lightburn were pretty simple well. Just watch the 4 movies and you're ready to go. And yeah, the bracket, pretty easy to make, universal, and I can mount anything on the spindle now if I like. Probably I put a dust boot on it for fume from the laser, and make a dust boot for my CNC as well. And just thank you for watching. Have a nice day.